And we now get to the 1000 meters for the men under 18. Suraj Singh, bib number 1987. He's he's the national record holder, 226.04. And guess where he set that record? He set it in Patna in 2025, very recently,
Yes.
on the 12th of March. So, but in the lead is Prince of Haryana, surely running like a prince here, taking a command. The mantra is not to overwork yourself at the beginning. Be cautious, don't push yourself. Following him is Raj Sinha from Bihar. So he's in second at this point of time. This is just the early part. We're into the first minute of the competition. The 1000 meters for the men under 18. Is there any set plan for events or does Bihar take them as you come? 100 to the 10,000 throws, jumps.
No, we go with the data. For last 10 years, our performance in events, we analyzed with that, and Ravindran said we have a group of mentors from all over India are working for Bihar State Sports Authority and Bihar Sports, and they are guiding us to give their best.
Yes, 651, Prince of Haryana continues to take the lead. I wonder how long will he be able to hold on to that. He's got Pratham of Karnataka now trying to slip in. Prince surely looks to have a lot of energy and the exuberance. Well, look at him. He started off with that lead and he's holding on. Very rare do we see that, isn't it? Very rare. I remember the national games, there was one girl who in the 5000 was started. He will take it away. He should or will take it away. There's no question about it. Unless someone has other ideas, it's too late in the day for the others to catch up. And he now takes it away. 225.01, it's a national record. Can you imagine? 225.01, even if I go by the unofficial time. Suraj Singh's record in Patna, 226.04. And 198, missing it, there you are. Suraj Singh from